This video is about how to upload on Instagram without losing quality. First of all, you have to click your pictures in 3:4 mode. So I have a picture of this flower and I am sending it to Lightroom. Open the Lightroom. Click on crop and select the 5:4. Increase the clarity. Here I'll do some basic color correction. Increase the sharpening. Okay, now save it. Now I am going to upload it. Before uploading, just increase a little sharpening. Now you can see that I am zooming in and the picture is not pixelating at all. So that's for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this.